Steam has reached the milestone of 10 million concurrent active players. Things are going well for Valve. Over the weekend, Steam reached an impressive milestone of 10 million simultaneous players in the game, the largest number of players ever on the platform at the same time. SteamDB, a third-party Twitter bot that tracks and shares Steam statistics, celebrated the event on Saturday at 9 a.m. ET as gamers prepared for their long weekend. At that time, there were 10,080,827 people in the game, and 32,186,301 people were active on the platform. The next morning, the number of in-game Steam players reached 10,284,568. It is also reported that the most popular game was Counter-Strike Global Offensive with 1 million simultaneous players. These numbers represent a dramatic change from 2019, when the number of concurrent players in a Steam game stopped at around 6 million. Not surprisingly, because of COVID-19, these numbers jumped, as more people stayed at home and more people bought games to have fun and socialize. By March 30, 2020, less than 3 weeks after the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic, the number of concurrent Steam players had reached 8,171,592. This number continued to grow for several months, reaching 9 million for the first time in February 2022. Significant progress in the Steam platform may indicate that the PC gaming industry is recovering. Demand for basic computer components increased dramatically in 2020 for the same reasons mentioned above, which led to a shortage of materials for GPUs and CPUs, a situation that lasted for 2 whole years. In the spring of 2022, the situation began to change, because PC components became more affordable. As a result, gamers were able to get their hands on the hardware they need to dive into modern and demanding games. It's also worth considering that Steam's record numbers are probably partly due to the release of the Steam Deck. Just 8 months after the launch of sales, Valve broke the 1 million mark of Steam consoles sold, and that's when consoles were in short supply. Since then, they have become much easier to get, no pre-order required, and it is worth considering the fact that some of the active players on the Steam platform did not play on PC at all this weekend.